Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks, constant app switching, and the relentless grind of daily office work? Imagine having a super efficient assistant that never sleeps, handles your busy work, and frees you up to focus on what truly matters. Well, that dream isn't just for 2025 anymore, it's here, right now. This isn't just about using one AI tool. It's about strategically combining them to create an unstoppable productivity powerhouse. Get ready to transform your workflow, reclaim your precious time, and elevate your professional game. We're diving deep into practical, actionable strategies that will make you an AI-powered productivity pro. Let's be honest, most professionals juggle a dizzying array of apps for writing, scheduling, data entry, and reporting. This constant context switching isn't just annoying, it's a massive productivity killer. Studies reveal that multitasking can slash your efficiency by as much as 40%. You're not just losing time, you're losing focus, energy, and the ability to engage in high-value work. Information silos, endless email threads, and manual data transfers drain your potential. It's time to break free from this cycle and embrace a smarter way to work. First up, let's supercharge your communication with an AI writing assistant. Imagine drafting emails, reports, or even marketing copy in mere seconds. Tools like advanced GPT models can generate high-quality content with minimal input, transforming you into a writing powerhouse. But it doesn't stop there. Pair this with an AI summarizer to conquer information overload. Convert lengthy email threads, meeting transcripts, or dense research papers into concise, actionable bullet points. This saves you countless hours, ensuring you grasp key information instantly and stay ahead. Next, revolutionize your daily schedule with an intelligent AI calendar assistant. Say goodbye to endless back-and-forth emails trying to find a meeting time. These smart tools can auto-book appointments, send personalized reminders, and even intelligently free up your schedule. They learn your preferences, understand your priorities, and can even negotiate meeting times on your behalf. This isn't just about convenience, it's about optimizing your most valuable asset, your time. Experience the joy of a perfectly organized calendar, effortlessly managed by AI. Imagine never missing a crucial detail from a meeting or call again. AI transcription tools turn spoken words into searchable notes in real time. This eliminates the tedious task of manual note-taking, ensuring every insight and decision is captured accurately. Take it a step further by leveraging voice commands to control your applications hands-free. Draft follow-up emails, schedule new tasks, or even pull up documents just by speaking. This powerful combination boosts accessibility and allows you to work smarter, even on the go. Now, for the real game changer. Tying it all together with a workflow automation platform like Zapier or Make. These incredible tools are the glue that connects all your AI assistants and other applications. They allow you to automate repetitive tasks across different platforms. Think about it. Automatically zapping new leads from your email into your CRM, pushing meeting summaries to your team's Slack channel, or updating project spreadsheets instantly. This is where the true magic of interconnected AI happens, creating seamless, efficient workflows that run themselves. This isn't just theory, it's real-world, tangible productivity. Imagine this quick demo. I draft a client proposal using AI in seconds, then my AI assistant schedules a follow-up call, transcribes key feedback from that meeting, and logs all action items directly into my project management system. All of this in under a minute. This integrated approach isn't just about saving time, it's about boosting your overall efficiency by 75% or more. You'll witness how these tools work in harmony, transforming complex, multi-step processes into effortless automated sequences. Get ready to be amazed by the power of a truly optimized workflow. You've seen the power of combining these 4 AI powerhouses. Now, it's your turn to reclaim your day and elevate your professional life. Start by experimenting with 1 or 2 tools, then gradually integrate them into your existing workflow. Remember to tweak settings to match your specific needs and preferences. The key is to experiment, customize, and find the perfect AI combo that works for you. Which of these incredible tools will you try first to boost your productivity? Drop your answer in the comments below. We'd love to hear your plans. If you found this tutorial helpful and are ready to master your skills, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI-powered workflows and practical tips. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for direct access to the tools we discussed and more resources to kickstart your AI journey. Let's build a more productive future together.